Used my math lab before. This is just a very quick video showing you how to find everything. So you've got several things over here on the left, but mainly what you're going to go to is where it says assignments. And here you can see your assignments. And it tells you when they're due. Of course, that's over in your calendar in Blackboard also. But you'll just click on the assignment here, complete it, and keep in mind that you can get a 100 on these. Let me show you. Once you get started, probably need to go to a different problem. There we go. If you're having problems with a particular question, then you can go over here and there's some options to help you. You can go to the Help Me Solve This, and what that'll do is my math lab will provide you with step-by-step instructions to fill in as you go, and then it'll give you a similar problem to do on your own. Or you can go to where it says View an Example, and it'll work a problem similar to the one that you're working right here for you. So of course you're using your notes after you've watched the videos and taken notes. You're using those to complete your homework. But if you need additional help directly from my math lab, then you can click on the Question Help tab. Okay? Sometimes it'll have a video, and it'll also take you to the spot in your textbook where this particular problem is. So that's an option too. Let me show you how do we get to the textbook. So let's say you didn't purchase a hard copy of your textbook, which is perfectly fine. You go right here where it says e-text, and it doesn't seem to want to be working. There we go. Just took it a minute. And there's an error. Oh, lovely. Okay, maybe it's going to work this time. Sorry about that. But you can see where you go. You just click that e-text tab, and here is your textbook. And I believe you can click here, and if you're, we start with chapter 5, so you can select chapter 5 without having to go through one page at a time, and even on the particular section that you're working on. Okay, so this is just additional help if you need it for your for understanding the material beyond the videos and notes that I provide. And there are also examples at the end of each section, or excuse me, additional problems at the end of each section. So math is learned by practice. So if you want to spend more time practicing problems for the particular section, then that is a very good idea. I'm trying to show you the practice problems, but it's taking it a bit of time here. Lots of examples. There we go. So you can go here and work additional problems, and there should be solutions to the odds also. Okay, so I think that's all you need to know. With my math lab, you don't need to worry about the grade book because everything's transferring over to Blackboard. Let's make sure, yep, your tests are under the assignments too. And remember, the review assignments are extra credit. So any of these that say, are you ready for chapter 5, or review for chapter 5, or here we've got 7 review. All of those are extra practice for you before the test and extra credit if you complete them and it helps your grade. Okay.